So the topic is, what are the factors that will be influencing media selection? Selection of most effective media is very, very important for advertisement, because everything, your advertisement, your campaign, your sales, everything is depend upon the reach of your message. And to reach to the target audience, we need media. So the various forms of media, or using the various media vehicle to convey the message to our target customers, is very, very important. We have learned how are we going to select our target audience and who all are our target customers. So to reach to them, to connect with them with the help of media, it is very, very important. Other factors to be including in this media selection is the prestige of the media, the prestige of the personalities if you are using in your advertisement, the goodwill of the brand. All these factors also matters for a good advertisement. What is your product message? What is the theme of your product, or what is the theme of your advertisement? Okay, what is the cost? Everything will be seen while selection of media. How quick you want to reach to the customer, that is also important. Now, the various definition is given for the media selection. The only thing you will have to keep it in your mind, that is, what is media selection? That is the selection of the media to reach to your target customer. That's it. Through any media vehicle. Okay, selection of a particular media to reach to our target customers. That is what is your media selection. This is what is a media advertising chart. That means the different forms of media. We have seen print media, outdoor media, broadcasting media, transit media, direct mails और other forms. Print media में क्या है? Newspapers, trade journals और periodics. Outdoor, your posters, hoardings, sky advertisement, electrical display, sandwich man, electric signs, anything. See, now this electric display ज़्यादा use हो रहा है. अब ये electric display क्या होता है? You might have seen the Yavle's outlet, क्योंकि ये most famous brand है अभी के time पे. Everyone must have seen it. So many branches are available in the market of Yavle in your nearby locality. तो वहां पर एक मैसेज पास होता रहता है. Have you seen that? The cost of the chai, that means the cost of the tea and what all things are available. So वो होता है इलेक्ट्रिक डिस्प्ले. ठीक है, वो ऑनगोइंग चलता रहता है. अगर शॉप बंद भी है तब भी वो मैसेज जो है वो पास होता है, तो वो इलेक्ट्रिक डिस्प्ले है. दैट इज द फॉर्म ऑफ आउटडोर मीडिया. Broadcasting, we know radio, television, and films. Transit, when we are traveling, at that time in the buses, in the trains, in your cabs, those advertisements are transit advertisements. And then another forms, your window displays, that means the statues in front of the shops, your point of purchase, any exhibition or anything, that are other forms. And finally, we have direct mail, that means our electronic media, internet, through any social media sites. These all are direct mail advertisements. Now, moving ahead with the media selection. In making media decision, we have to consider certain points. Now, what are those points? Number one is your financial allocation, that is your budget. What we need the budget. है ना? कितना budget है? Based on that budget, we will be selecting our media. If we have low budget, that means we can select hardly 1 or 2 media. If we have good budget, good amount to spend on advertisement expenses, then we can go for more than one or two sorry, medias. Okay, so financial allocation is most important, because when you're selecting more than one media, that time how much focus you're going to give on the first one and how much of focus you're going to give on the second one, that is also important. क्या मुझे प्रिंट मीडिया में ज्यादा खर्चा करना है या मुझे ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मीडिया में खर्चा करना है, या मुझे लगता है इंटरनेट मीडिया ज्यादा अच्छा चल रहा है. सो बेस्ड ऑन योर बजट we will be finalizing it. Next, nature of the product. What is my product? क्या सेल कर रही हूँ मैं, या what I am advertising, that is also important. Because see, when we say medicines, so medicines is the quick requirement of the customer. तो इसके लिए मैं लेट एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स नहीं कर सकती हूँ, है ना. सो प्रोडक्ट मेडिसिन आर इमीडिएट नीड, तो इसके लिए जल्दी एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स चाहिए मार्केट में. नेक्स्ट, द टाइप ऑफ प्रोस्पेक्ट, दैट मीन्स कौन से टाइप के कस्टमर्स हैं आपके, उनका लोकेशन क्या है, एंड व्हाट आर द नेचर ऑफ द बाइंग नेचर. कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर इज आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट, वो भी हम चेक करेंगे सिलेक्शन से पहले. Nature of competition, whether I am advertising my product to compete in the market or I am advertising my product only to pass the information in the market. This is also important. Cost of media operations. Then finally, what is the cost of the media? So these are some of the selection factors. Right media of advertisement will enable the advertiser to deliver the message effectively. This is important. Because if you go for wrong media selection, then kya hoga, the message will go very late to the customers to whom we are supposed to reach. And when the message will reach later, obviously the sales will be declined. So giving the information or passing the information or to communicate with our target customer, the media selection plays a very, very important role. Because I want to reach to my customers quickly. I need to connect with them so that they will be purchasing that particular brand. And the factors that will be influencing for media selection is first, nature of the product. Always we should see that what is the nature of the product or the services. Whether only to sell, whether only to give the information, or whether only to spread the brand. What is the nature? Whether it is a consumer product, whether it is an industrial good, what it is. So first you should analyze your product. Okay, then you will be selecting the media, because advertisements are always for mass communication. So when we are saying mass communication, the media should be accordingly selected. So some preferable medias are television, newspaper, outdoor. These are some preferred media for mass communication. Next, nature of the consumer. We have seen that we will be seeing the demographic factor while selecting our consumer. So who is the consumer? Who is my target customer? Okay, so their age groups may change, their income, their personality, their attitudes towards a particular product, their educational qualification, everything matters when we are selecting a consumer. See, for example, when I say alcohol, what is the first thing that will come in your mind? Okay. So when I say the term alcohol, I have got so many answers stating that, okay, alcohols means it is not good for health. It is for the people who are habituated. Okay, it will affect your health. Again, the age group will be about 20. Below 20, there may be very rare cases. So this is your consumer nature. This is your consumer identification. That means these all are your target groups. This is what is the nature of your customer. Okay. Then age group. So next, the customers will be selected on the basis of their educational level. If the customers are more educated, then you will not have to explain them the more things. आप short में ही उनको message समझा सकते हो. They will be able to understand. Number of customers. When I say mass means वो पूरा 100 million population भी आएगा. So mass communication means the size of the population or the size of your customers will be more. So accordingly, you will have to select your media. Next, distribution of product. And the factor will be distribution of product. How are you going to distribute your product? When you are advertising, so you should see that it should be easily available for your customers. कोई ऐसा प्रोडक्ट एडवर्टाइज नहीं करना है जो फिर कस्टमर्स को मार्केट में वो प्रोडक्ट मिले ही नहीं. You have advertisement as a means ad agency, you have advertised a product and you have done with your work. No. Product you should advertise that is available in the market or that will be available in the market. तो वो भी important है. Then you are advertising objective. What is the main objective? The main objective is that we should always have a favorable response from our customer. We should always see that whether the customer is purchasing the goods or not, they should not have any negative points about your product or brand in their minds. Okay, so इस तरीके का advertisement होना चाहिए. Nature of message. What the message is? Message is to promote, message is for appeal, message is for to provoke our customers to purchase the good. तो वो important है. क्या message है? क्यों message दे रहे हैं? For what purpose we are messaging? So based on that also we will be selecting our media. Then size our budget. Most important, our budget size. Whether we have small budget, whether we have large budget. Based on that, we will be selecting our media. Next, the easiest way to understand or easiest way to find out which media I should select. See which media your competitor is selecting. That comparison is very, very easy. Isn't it? If my customers' products are having good market share, if the customers are preferring my competitor's product, the question should be why? Which media they are using to reach to their target customer. Then media availability. Which media is available for me? Because whenever we are starting with the advertisement, we are starting from our local to regional to national. When I say local, for my local area, which media is available for me? Whether I should go for some local newspapers, whether I should go for pamphlets, whether I should go for local television channels to advertise, which is the media which is easily available for me to reach to my target customer. Next, media reach and coverage. Whatever advertising message is there, that message to be reached to the customers. Now, who are my customers? What is again the coverage? Whether it's a short coverage or large coverage, whether it is to local, whether it is to regional, whether it is to national, whether it is to international. वो है reach. उतना ज्यादा हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? कवरेज देना पड़ेगा. Okay. So these are some of the factors that will influence you before selection of a particular media.